Hello from me, Lazarus. I present to you the next lesson of the course on creating a website from scratch. Last time we covered chapter 6, and in the book it's chapter 37, about creating the individual parts of the web page. I also show it on my site, so in the previous lessons we started this chapter by first looking at the top, the header, then the navigation, and then the sidebar ribbon, and now we need to look at the main content that's here. Only here it's divided into 4 parts. Look at how it's laid out, and there it's not exactly the same, but it's similar. Let's open the PDF file. First, we'll copy the folder from example 37.4 and rename it to 37.5, renaming each of the examples in it. The initial idea is to divide this block into 4 parts, according to the main topics, sections, that will be on the site. To do this, we will create 4 new blocks, sections, in the index.html file in the main block, for the main content. As we will assign them individual IDs, so that we can identify them precisely, and the code will be as follows. Now, in the presentation, we will not look at more details of the code, because still this is information that is contained in the paid lessons. So I'm just going to show what the final result will be. So, here's what it's going to look like at the fixed dimensions. And then we can see here, at the relative dimensions, how it will look. And finally I'll show it visible in both CSS Grid Layout and CSS Flexbox, and here we use both. For the layout of the 4 blocks we use CSS Grid Layout, and for the internal layout within the blocks we use CSS Flexbox, which is also the general rule in this case. That's all for the presentation of this tutorial. Best regards.